Hi, today we want to show you a new feature that has been on the dashboard as an upcoming feature for some time called Facilitator Metrics. So from the dashboard, we are going to scroll all the way down to the bottom and we'll see this Facilitator Metrics preview. What this shows you is how your facilitators are performing against your goals or performing as a group. And we have different metrics, how many groups they formed, the number of members, the members per group, attendance, and average savings per member. So if you have set goals or you simply want to see how your facilitators in the field are performing, this is where you would do that, and you can compare them against these different metrics. For us at DreamStart Labs, facilitators are people who are closest to the groups. They may be paid or volunteer agents in the field, but they are not people who are users of insights. So we don't expect that facilitators will have a login to Insights. They won't be coming here to view data, but you might want to observe their performance. So I'll show you how to create the users and also facilitators in order to set this up. But we just wanted to let you know it's here. And right now I have selected a specific supervisor that I want to look at, and then specific facilitators as well. So you'll need to first set up the supervisor level and assign facilitators to that supervisor. You can also view all supervisors, for example, and then you will be able to search by facilitator name in case you have many facilitators and you want to look for one in particular. In order to get this set up, I suggest coming to projects. From projects, the first thing you'll be prompted to do, and this is also in the Getting Started guide, will be to create users. So we have created a user here, Anakin Skywalker, and a user that is part of our account organization overall and has more permissions is Kishawa. So we first need to always have a user, and then the supervisors or the facilitators will be supervised by that user. So I suggest when you're setting up Insights, start from the top down. So start from your account owner, invite people who have country access, and then you can come here and invite your Insights users on certain projects here. Then you want to create facilitators. And like I said, when you invite a facilitator, the only required fields you have are their first name, their last name, and their supervisor. This is why it's important to create that supervisor, which is an Insights user first, and we used Keshawa. When you create a facilitator, they will not receive Insights login. There's no place here for their email necessarily. This is because we expect them to be, in the field, maybe don't even have an email address, or that's not how you communicate with them. So once you have invited users, I have 2 here. Then you come to groups. You can select the group or groups here and assign to a project. You can see these are all assigned to a project already. You can assign to a facilitator. So here's our facilitators for this project, Frank and Leia. These groups are already assigned to a facilitator, here, Frank Castle and Leia. And once you assign them here, that's how you will be able to view facilitator metrics on the dashboard. So just to review, if you want to be able to observe facilitator metrics on the dashboard, first come to projects, create a user or add a user to the project, create facilitators, assign those facilitators to a supervisor, and then assign the groups to that facilitator. So it will show you the group, which belongs to the facilitator, which belongs to the supervisor, and that's how you'll view it on the dashboard.